Understanding the phrase, USB port. Hello, English language learners. Today, we're going to explore and understand the meaning of the phrase, USB port. It's a common term in the modern world and it's important to grasp its meaning, especially if you are into technology or use electronic devices. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. It's a standard for connecting electronic devices and allowing them to communicate with each other. The word port refers to an access point or entrance. In this context, it's a physical place on a device where you can connect another device using a USB cable. USB ports are found in many electronic devices, such as computers, laptops, smartphones, and tablets. Their primary function is to 1. Transfer data. For example, moving files from a flash drive to a computer. 2. Charge devices. Many smartphones and gadgets charge using a USB connection. 3. Connect devices. Keyboards, mice, printers, and many other devices can be connected to a computer through a USB port. Over the years, technology has evolved, leading to the development of various USB types. Some of the commonly known types include USB-A, the standard rectangular shape most people are familiar with. USB-B, often found on printers or larger devices. USB-C, a newer, reversible connector that can handle more power and data. Often seen on new laptops and smartphones. Mini and micro USB, smaller connectors mostly used for charging mobile devices. So there you have it, a breakdown of what a USB port is, its uses, and the different types available. The next time you're charging your phone, transferring data, or connecting a device, you'll now understand the technology that's making it possible. We hope you found this video informative, and we encourage you to dive deeper into the world of technology and expand your English vocabulary.